Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. So this is Zach here again from XIFU. So for those who are here, is my sound and screens coming okay? Just type a one for me, all right, to ensure my sound and screen is working. And of course, a quick reminder over here, right? So this section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stock based on today's discussion over here, so make sure you have your own trading plan, right? If not, get advice from the professional, right? Anything can happen in the market nowadays. The chart we are looking into right now, Patama. Actually, I didn't really follow closely on Patama all this while. But yes, it do make a big drop. Okay, I'm not sure anyone here is still holding it. So if you are still holding type 1, if you are not type 2, okay, so hopefully you are not. So it's a backdrop, okay? So started from here. Actually, that's why whenever at the market at the top already, and you see sudden surge in volume, and then the candles I think started to become wider, something is not right. Something usually telling you that potentially there will be a so-called a change of trend is coming in the market. Okay, so this is one example in Patama as well. So like I said, lots of counters like 2 or 3 months ago, mostly is already going into a strong trends already, and now they are started to going down. Actually, a bit disappointing. I thought that market would be remain strong until end of this year, but looks like now it's already going into October already. Market still sideways slow. Okay, been slow for like 2 or 3 months. Okay, but again, good sign. A few things that we can do. Of course, first of all, make sure for time to time you check your stocks that in weekly chart. Like for example, I still know that a lot of people still love YTI and YTR power. Okay, in fact, fundamental wise they are pretty good, right? So what you do is that you check on the weekly basis. Okay, so one good thing about now this kind of counter is that on weekly basis wise, if you notice, they don't have much of this kind of like a high volume, like what happens to Patama, right? Just now we saw high volume white candles. This one it dropped, okay, but of course expected this counter moving so much already. You need them for them to do a long period of reaccumulation. Okay, so again, not sure. Probably they will start to sideways very soon. Okay, hopefully we can see that, and then they are ranging around 2 ringgit to 3 ringgit. Okay, so there would be a good sign to tell us that maybe there is a reaccumulation going is happening. Okay, in this chart here. So this is whether you want to look for opportunity to enter with lower risk. Okay, so all these blue counters over here, even though they don't have a distribution at the top, if you look into KGB, is one of my favorite actually. But again, they haven't really completed the reaccumulation. So probably you need a little bit patience, wait for them to do reaccumulation first. Okay, so holding, I think there's a few counters that people like, on especially on the DC teams previously. This one a bit scared this one white candle high volume This one, this I'm a bit scared on this kind of candle. Whenever going up high volume white candles, you need to pay a little bit extra attention. Okay, so sometimes what you do is that whenever it hit below here, that's where that you want to at least protect yourself a little bit. Okay, so again, similar like Patama, let's go back to Patama stocks. Okay, but this one's is very obvious. So after this candle over here, the price didn't actually stay above. Okay, so actually after high volume, if let's say you notice that the price staying below the closing price, yeah, this is like telling you that okay, not good things really. Usually is they need to stay above to ensure that. So right now, just now I'm holding, they are staying above. I think it's good, still good. Okay, still good. Let's look in the SCG BHD again. Some of the few counters that during the DC run making a nice kind of like trends here. Okay, so this is high volume candle. Okay, notice that they are started to trade below already. So I think it's the pullback yet to complete. Probably go lower, test lower. All right. Sim property. Some property. Okay, here we got some high volume also, but it's still holding bomb. Okay, and yeah, later you can check using the weekly chart. Okay, any stock you want me to look into, just type it below. Okay, just type it below if you got any stock for me. Today I think still pretty boring. Yesterday is super boring. Yesterday is super boring. But to be frank, I don't have much of counters. Yeah, China ETF CJ. My site over here don't have China ETF Okay, but let's see how it goes. Because moving forward, of course, we do have like a discussion talk with the team as well. Moving forward, hopefully by end of the year. I don't think end of the year. Probably the first quarter of the year. Okay, we have something new features coming up. Uh, we try to add more. Currently, we're working with companies that's doing AI. Okay, so hopefully we will actually bring more features in terms of AI features to our members and users. So if let's say the AI works in Bursa, okay, then we will slowly add other market also. So actually, we are looking adding Hong Kong markets, US markets, and even the Singapore market. Okay, but currently don't have. Okay, currently we purely based on Bursa first. Hopefully next year we have more things to offer to all member users. So if you are using, okay, if you are using, oh sorry, this is listed under Bursa one, is it? Okay, so if you are using our so-called uh, apps or anything, right? Okay, do send me a feedback. Okay, if you think there's something that is worth to try out, you think that can enhance your experience, do send some things to me, the feedback to me, so that we can look into it. Okay, in our next developments. Oh, okay, China ETF. Okay, oh, this is listed in Bursa. Sorry, because I really look into all this ETF in Bursa actually. Wow, really super bull run, this one. Okay, but today started pullback. This is today, right? 8 October. Okay, now this one I have to use hourly chart already. A bit takut because this is far away from 20 MA. Okay, same over here. We got some high volume, probably a little bit more we still can try. Okay, if let's say you're looking for entry lah, CJ, assuming you're looking for entry lah. Okay, close to the 20 MA, some low volume candle I think would be nice. Okay, low volume candle. Hopefully after this high volume, later got some low volume. Probably can try a little bit more. But you are still holding. I remember you mentioned about China ETF like few days ago, right? You're still holding, or you already exit looking for another entry again? Okay, daily wise, right? Let's check lah. Daily wise, this is the previous so-called resistance area. Okay, best is that they are holding around this area here, 5 ringgit 70 cents area. Okay, today drop a little bit. Okay, if let's say can hold, but I think still okay, but hard to enter. Yeah lah. Actually quite far already. Oh, this one is yeah, few within 2 weeks from 4 ringgit to almost 6 ringgit, 50% already from here. So the pullback happen now, wow, it will be very deep one sometimes. But if let's say you want to trade a quick one, I think can. Just hourly chart, maybe few percent you trouble first. You don't hold because sometimes this pullback happen. Very fast one. Okay. By the way, thanks letting me know. I actually this China ETF. To be frank, I really follow ETF. Okay, or maybe you can trade some of the structured warrant also. Previously, I do active in structured warrant, especially for Hong Kong stocks. But I think like 2 or 3 years ago, because stock didn't move, Hong Kong also didn't move. So I after that, I don't really focus actually. So yeah, you can actually go to like Macquarie. I'm not sure whether if let's say China market is moving, Hong Kong market is moving, probably I can also ask Macquarie to come over for our talk also. Okay, let me arrange. Okay, so anyway, by the way, for those that who are here in PJ, Klang Valley, KL, we do have this event on 26th October. Okay, where we invited Mr. Benjamin from MYEG. So he will talk about Z-Tricks, okay, something that very exciting about this industry. For those that who probably still don't know what is blockchain, Web3, come over, okay? He'll explain, especially in terms of like Z-Tricks and MYG, what is the opportunity that they have. Recently, let's say you follow MYG, they got a lot of this project, especially with China. So something that is starting to learn about. Okay, so now let's go into the other counters. If you got any other counter, just start it over there. Okay, like I say, yeah, if you want to trade a little bit Hong Kong counters, yes, you probably can watch out some structured warrant. Okay, let me see whether I can get someone from Macquarie or not for our talk. Okay, let's go into I think the other day someone mentioned about Xiaomi. Okay, Xiaomi C28. Okay, this one I have to check already. See, because no, previously I only trade warrant from Macquarie. Okay, maybe we can go to Macquarie. Yeah. Anyone trade Macquarie warrants? Okay, if yes, let me know. Okay, tools. I also forgot already. A long time didn't look into warrants already right now. Okay, any counters you want me to look into also let me know lah. So okay, I think here. Yeah, I thought can change. Previously can select market one. Hong Kong markets. Okay. Hong Kong stocks. Okay, let's see. Any Hong Kong stock we can trade or not. Okay, we got Alibaba BYD. Okay, but this one almost near to expiry date already. Okay, BYD C30, let's try lah. Okay, I think good idea also because now market is boring. Bursa market is boring, Hong Kong market is boring. Probably we can do a little bit, okay, on structured warrant. Okay, but this one, no activity one. Okay, looks like not so liquidate also. Okay, this one probably I need to leave to expert already. I see whether I can get someone from Macquarie or not. Okay, to give us a little bit of sections on how to select a right structure warrant for us to trade. Okay, okay, this one is Xiaomi H1A. Let's try Xiaomi H1A. Okay, a new looks like a new warrant. Okay, also nothing much. Okay, no much information. I have to check with the chart as well. Okay, any other counters you want me to let me look into? Okay, especially in Bursa, do let me know in comments below. Okay, Binastra continue goes up. Okay, this one is after pullback complete. Okay, this one actually a nice pullback with hammer. Okay, but no dare to enter market like this. But going into the R1 already, very nice. Armada, I think the other day we do see a reversal. Okay, so today probably is the first pullback. Okay, looks like an opportunity here. Right, so we have this so-called high volume reversal of two candles over here. So let's say remain above 50 cents. Hopefully today volume remains to be low. Okay, I think got chance to do a little bit reversal. Probably got chance to retest 5 ringgit and 50 cents area also. Okay, so there's Armada coming from reversal patterns. Okay. All right. Any other stocks that okay, VRB coming back, but VRB are accelerated. Okay, probably VRB I'll look for more so-called better setups before enter because normally, like I say, with this kind of force breakout, it would take a little bit of time, or sometimes they'll do a shakeout. Okay, Volcano, nothing much. TTVHB. Actually, this one's still under downtrend. But if you want to do a rebound trade, I think still possible. Okay, because I think USD up already, right? Today I haven't checked yet. Okay. All right, so I think still got opportunity for this one for quick trades for TTVHB. Okay, any others? Okay, any other counters I'm going to look into? Okay, all very quiet. All stay away from the market. Oh, you are still in the market. Okay, if you are staying away from the market, type 1. Okay, if you are keeping cash right now, type 1. Okay, if you are still active in the market, okay, type 2. Okay, just wondering what you are doing right now. For me, I keep right now. I keep more cash. Sometimes I got trade a bit, but not much. Okay, Top I'm still holding. Okay, PBA, whole hub. Today also nothing much over here. Okay, it must still holding well. Okay, in this uptrend over here. Okay, today looks like still cannot challenge the R1. Okay, R1 this is a pretty big resistance. Okay, but the formation is getting better. So I think got chance to cross for IT Max. Okay, here. Okay, here one resistance. Okay, here looks like trying, but luckily no shooting star. So normally no shooting star got chance for them to cross one. Okay, any others? OMH. The problem with OMH is that sometimes it's a bit illiquid. So you want to exit is a bit difficult, but No doubt they are doing a nice reversal. Probably a quick trade is possible. TJ setia, 7 setia, no volume. KL, KPBA, RHB Bank. Okay, Delium yesterday also cannot break the resistance also. But okay, let's try Delium. Okay. Overall still good. Okay, overall still good. But I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. Okay, because entry wise, of course, 155 lah, towards the pullback area, I think is good. Okay, if not, I use hourly chart because this is quite trending for me. Okay, based on current market situation, now this is one of the trending one. Okay, so if you want to, you can actually aim around the 20 MA areas, okay, which is pretty close, 1.56, sorry, 1.60. Okay, 1.60 area over here. Okay, so this is the area that probably want to see so-called the hourly pullback, okay, before they will continue on the trend. Okay, so overall, if let's say based on daily chart, still kind of like trending. Okay, yes, yesterday testing resistance but cannot cross, but luckily volume for me is still considered average. Okay, today volume lower, I think would be nicer. Okay, would be nicer. Of course, if let's say in terms of risk to reward, lower risk, gap A 1.55 would be nice to look for the opportunity to enter. Okay, let's look into the other sky were some of the reversal patterns that we do talk about and spot a few days ago. Okay, Skyward also, okay, still trying around S1. Okay, let's look into Parkson also. Parkson also the other day high volume crossing 2040. Okay, how about today? Okay, but today market beginning very slow. Okay, have been going for since last week. Okay, the other is DNext. MFLA, MSM, I think also having the pattern as well. Okay, all right, low volume, nothing much to review. MSM. Okay, the Nearby below one. This one also has taken monitor for MSM. Okay, probably you want to aim for a quick profits to the resistance. Okay, I think this one's still good also. Even though yesterday volume is a bit high. Okay, even though yesterday volume is a bit high. Actually, this one I was also thinking whether I want to try a bit or not. Okay, but let's see, like let's say until 4 p.m. right? Okay, because yesterday volume is a little bit high, to be frank. But not too bad. Okay, if let's say today volume remains to be low, okay, I think probably I will try a little bit, see whether I can get a few percent of profit. I'm not going to aim for 10 more percent because 10 more percent I think will be somewhere around here already. Okay, few percent I think will be good enough. Okay, any other counters you want me to look into? Unfortunately, today also nothing much. Some of them only do a little bit of technical rebound. CAB, nothing much also. Yeah, nothing much. Hopefully, afternoon later on will be more exciting. Okay, so again with this, once again, thank you for joining me over here. So again, for those that who are in PJ, KL, Klang Valley, right? If you are interested on 26 October, do join us. Okay, we only got a seat of a small group. We do a small group like the other day we do in the one in July. Okay, 30 people max. Okay, so come over, right? So probably we have some chit chat. If you want to ask something with me, Mr. Benjamin, you can ask him also directly. On our this so-called technical analyst. Okay, JK Kang also will be there. Okay, now let's turn into RI property. Okay, RI property. Before we end our sections. IPG. Okay, IPG. Okay, we got some high volume yesterday with a hammer. Okay, I think this one they are doing a short-term reversal already. Let's do into weekly. Okay, let's do into weekly. Weekly wise, okay, weekly wise hammer holding here, but they haven't crossed 2040. Hopefully this week or maybe next week they will cross the 2040 stronger. Okay, stronger. But okay, here same things are like just now. We talk about Pertama Digital. Okay, if you look into weekly chart, Pertama Digital, right? Right at the top also we do see some high volume. Okay, so yes, here also we saw too high volume. So probably, I believe the trend will change a little bit. Okay, I'm not sure whether it will go to downtrend like Pitama or not, but at least they will go into a period of sideways. Okay, a period of sideways. So what you do is that this is the hammer candles, right? Make sure the price don't drop below 2 ringgit. I think 2 ringgit is a crucial area since this is a hammer in a weekly chart. So let's go back to daily. Okay, daily wise, I think short term opportunity is there. Okay, because short term wise, they are doing a so-called like a reversal, and now currently pullback. Okay, currently pullback. Okay, so of course, if you ask me, 2 ringgit 10 cent would be nice area to get lah. 2 ringgit 10 cents. Okay, now it's 2 ringgit 20 cents area. So if you think that okay, the 10 cents doesn't matter for you lah, it's only few percent, I think it's okay, right? But good area is around 2 ringgit 10 cents. Okay, to grab the opportunity. Okay, so hopefully it can retest the 2 ringgit 30 cents, because this looks like this zone over here looks like a resistance. Okay, we still got one here and one here. Okay, so 2 ringgit 30 cents is a resistance. So if let's say I can grab around 2 ringgit 10 cents to 2 ringgit 30 cents, okay, I think it's not bad for a short term based on current market situation. All right. So again, with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning. I will have again section for tomorrow. So, if you want to do a quick updates on every morning for Bursa, do join me for tomorrow morning. With this, thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.